Um, we will now start creating a post for the website. So working off an Excel which we have already created. What we're going to do is create another page based on these. So first you have to establish whether it's a brand new page which we created a template for. This template should only be cloned and it shouldn't be deleted or edited in any way. So if you want this page cloned, just come hover on the page and select here clone, and what happens is the WordPress will actually create a clone based on that, and it'll be up here. If you don't want a page, just highlight it, go here to the option, select trash, it says move to trash, and then apply. So what happens there, it removes the page from the page from the page from the pages into the trash, so you can start again. If you are creating a page that's similar to other pages, you can actually select other pages and clone, and then it'll save you filling up a lot of the new page if they are similar. So let's go ahead and create a post now based on the Excel we have been given. So at the moment we are creating how to develop statement for a statement of work and manage it. Okay, sure. So this is going to be in the core skills and it's going to be under commercial. So let's copy that title and go somewhere where there's commercial. See here right now we have commercial under core skills. So what we can do actually copy this page as opposed to fill everything up again. So clone as we did before, and the new page will have the word draft next to it. If you just select it, it will go immediately into the page. And what we can do now is change the title to what we want. As soon as it loads up, there we go. So the next section is the introduction. If we go back to the section here, the introduction, copy that across right here. Again, going to the actual box, when the green box comes up, select the pen, and then in here, select everything and paste. There's a little box that appears here, and that is for the animation for it to occur when you're loading the page. I'll show you that shortly. So we've updated the introduction, so we know this is under core skills, commercial, finance. So now we categorize it. So we are under core skills, under commercial, and we can also select finance if we want to, but in this case I think we'll leave it out because commercial would normally cover that. And the tags here are based on the tags you determine that all pages will have to have. So in this case we go back to our agreed tags, go back to the subject line that we have agreed. So we can see here tags are tag level 1 would be all levels, free 1 to 4 hours. So let's copy the ones we need, and so that's fine. Free, internal, and intermediate. Let's check the thing again. So it's internal, office, and it's free, and it's into the level is all levels. So what we can do in this case is remove intermediate by clicking the X, paste in the new level, which is all levels, and add. So now you select all tags. Now we're going to update the other section of the site. Go back to the content page, which is here. So now we've done the introduction. We're going to do the point of contact, which is here, point of contact. If you hover on the pen again, when you're pasting, please paste like this, highlighting the name and also the box, and paste. So this box is for animation, so when the page loads, it animates the words into the page. I'll show you shortly. So let's save that. So we put pool green. Now if you press review, it should open a new tab, and if you observe the box under point of contact, you will see they all animate into place. So if we can go ahead and do all level, it says intermediate here. So we'll go here, which just says all levels. Again, going into the box and highlighting both elements, paste that in, save. Next one is the length of time, learning time, 1 to 2 hours, which is the same. And also the location would be the office, and the fee will be free. So in this case, the location is the office, which is fine. And the next section would be the fee, which is free. We have 2 more sections, which is for links and reading material. We've put NA because there isn't any content to put inside. If you scroll down in the editor, you'll see 2 images. One image is for the background, which is here. So this background. And the second image here is what appears on the home page. So if you select the home page, what you'll find is, if you scroll down, these boxes, and anytime you would want to change these, you'd simply go to the actual image, you select it, it'll take you to the archives of all the images that you have uploaded. If you want to select any of these, then you'll have a tick here, and then you'll press set, which will then put it into place. If you want to upload anything new, go to upload, which is right here on the left corner. Select file, select the file you need, and then it will download it automatically. So this concludes our creating a post.